In this video, we are going to look at how to assign E or Z or rather E or Z to a carbon-carbon double bond. Now it's good to remember that even though there aren't 4 different attachments to a double bonded carbon, it still can act as a stereocenter because it doesn't have the plane of symmetry, depending of course on what are the attachments to the double bond. So in this case, if I want to assign E or Z to the first molecule, if you see carbon number A here, so let's say I'll label these carbons as A and B. To the carbon A, there are 2 attachments, a methyl and a hydrogen. Again, the priorities given are just the same as we give it in R&S. The rules are the same. So methyl gets a higher priority over hydrogen. So I'm just going to say high and low. On carbon number B, what I have is chlorine will get a high priority and methyl will get a low priority. Again, carbon attached to chlorine and carbon attached to carbon. Between chlorine and carbon, chlorine wins. So now once I'm done that, I kind of look at the double bond and I see that both the highs are on the same side and both the lows are on the same side. So this one, same side, becomes Z. Okay, Z or Z. On the other hand, in this other molecule, carbon number A will have methyl as high and hydrogen as low, and carbon number B will have methyl as low and chlorine as high. So again, if I draw a line, what I see is that high and low are on one side and high and low are on the other side. So this is E. So opposite sides is E. Okay. So one quick way to remember this is that Z, you can also call it as a same side, or Z is always same side. It's pretty much like if you imagine 2 Germans talking to each other, they have a very similar accent. So that's a good way to remember that Z is same side, it's the same side, whereas E is opposite sides.